Hi children, very good morning. So in the previous class we have learnt about our grammar book, second lesson gender. So today we are going to complete our textbook part of our grammar book. Okay. So I request all of you to open page number 12 of your textbook. So in the last class we have learned what is common gender, neuter gender, masculine gender and female gender. So you all understood might be the difference between masculine is it is a male gender and female is a female gender. So today we are going to complete our textbook with the gender text. Page number 12. Open all of you. Open page number 12. So here we are having the textbook activity. So we are going to complete it. First one, we have to replace the opposite gender. The king rides a black male. So opposite gender of king, queen. Opposite of male, horse. So what we have to write? The queen rides a black horse. The queen rides a black horse. Okay children. So king plus queen, male plus horse. Second one. The landlord asked the woman for money. The landlord, opposite landlady, asked the woman opposite man for money. Next one. Amit's uncle has a brown bull on his farm. Amit's aunt has a brown cow on his farm. Next, the tigress opposite tiger chased a doe. Buck, opposite of buck, doe. Next, the headmistress was the hostess of the party. So complete this children. Understood? King, queen, male horse, landlord, landlady, woman, man, uncle, aunt, bull, cow, tiger, tigress, tiger, buck, doe, headmaster, headmistress, hostess, hostess. Okay children, complete this. Next one. Page number 13. So here is a passage. I will read the passage for you. A wise princess lived in a palace with her kind parents. The princess, her brother, was camping in the jungle. The fierce monster attacked their kingdom. The monster had a large helmet made of bones. His clothes were stitched together from the hide of many deers. The king and the queen were afraid and held a meeting with their ministers. There were many brave men and women in the king's army. They all wanted to fight the monster. The princess thanked them, but she had other plans. She called the monster a beautiful lake. The monster had not brushed its teeth or combed its hair. The clean water of the lake was like a mirror. The monster saw itself into the water and thought it was another monster. It jumped into the lake to fight the creature and drowned. The princess had saved her country. Her parents were very proud of her. So might be understood the story children. Once there was a princess in the palace. So she lived with her parents. The prince, her brother, he used to do camping in the jungle. He used to roam in the jungle. So one day what happened? One monster means a devil, attacked their kingdom. So how is the monster you know? Large helmet was made with bones. So a big helmet was made with the bones, and clothes were, you know how the clothes were with the body parts of the deer. So the king and the queen were afraid and they wanted to push the monster outside. So they placed one meeting. So in that meeting there were many women and many men in the kingdom. So what did they do? They all wanted to fight with the monster. So that one day they got one plan. What is that plan? All the people in the village, they called to the monster in a lake and said, the monster had brushed its teeth and combed its hair. The clean water of the lake is like a mirror. So the monster saw itself in the water. So what did they say? They said that there is another monster, another creature like you in the lake. So it want to fight with you, they said to the monster. So immediately without another question, the monster jumped into the lake. So when the monster jumped into the lake to fight with the other creature, it has killed by itself. So today we are going to learn that what is the masculine gender and female gender or common gender, neuter gender in this topic. Okay children. So let's start. Masculine, female, common. Masculine, female, common, neuter. Okay. So we will complete this with masculine, neuter and common. So princess, what gender is princess is female. Princess is female gender. Parents, common gender. Parents is common gender. Next one, what is the next one children? Prince. Prince is a masculine gender. So boy, no, prince means. Next, brother. Brother also masculine gender. Next one. Monster. Monster is a man. So it is also a masculine gender. Next one. Helmet. No life. So it is a masculine neuter gender. Bones. Bones is also a neuter gender. Next, clothes. Clothes also has no life. They are also belongs to masculine gender. Next, deer. Deer is an animal. So this is also a hide. We will stitch things together from the hide of many deers. Hide is also a neuter gender. And deer is an animal. So it belongs to both. It is not written here common or counter. So deer is a common gender. King. What is meant by king? Masculine gender. Queen. Queen is a female gender. Next one. Man. Again man is a masculine gender. Woman. Woman is a female gender. What is the next one children? Water. So water has no life. Again it is a neuter gender. Next, mirror. Mirror also has no life. So it is a neuter gender. Next, creature. So creature may be boy or a girl. It is a common creature. So again we will see children. Princess. Princess is a girl. Parents. We call mother or father as parents. So it is a common gender. Brother and prince are both belong to boy, so they are masculine gender. Monster is also boy gender, so it is a masculine gender. Next one. So helmet, bones, clothes, hide, they are not having any kind of life. So they all belong to neuter gender which have no life. Deer, it is a common gender. It is not mentioning whether buck or doe, so it is a common gender. King, masculine gender. Queen, female gender. Man, masculine gender. Woman, female gender. Water, mirror are also not having life. They are also neuter gender. And creature is a common gender. So, might you have understood this chapter. So, turn the page children. You will understand more. Take the common gender noun. Common gender nouns. One has been done for you. So, mother and father, who are the children? Parents or persons? They are parents. Mother and father are parents. See number 1. Brother and sister, what are they? Ruler or siblings? Siblings. They are siblings. Husband or wife, what are they called? Child or a spouse? Husband or wife are called as spouse. Boy or a girl, they are not parents, they are child. They are child, they both are child children. King or a queen, they are not children, they are rulers. Next, male or female baby, they are called infants. Male or female babies are called as infant. Next one, man or a woman, they are called as person. Next one, cock or a hen, they are called as flock. So more will be there, no? Flock. So, sorry, cock. So, you have to complete your grammar textbook part. So, okay children, second lesson grammar textbook is completed. So, what you have to do, you have to read all this. Male, what is female, what is male animal called, what is female animal called. All these things you have to read. Okay children, understood? You have to complete your notes. So, and send through the WhatsApp. See you children, take care.